Hi, I'm Rita. I'm an online marketer who also develops websites for clients, but I'm a no-coder, in fact. So that is a very important reason why I like WebToffee's GDPR cookie plugin, that it is easy to install, and I also get an excellent support from Mark and his team, whatever problems I have. And I do have problems sometimes, as I'm a no-coder. I've been using this plugin since 2018, since the GDPR regulations came into effect. And in Hungary, regulations are very strict, so I really needed a plugin that is not only a fancy button at the bottom of a page where you click on the accept and nothing else happens, but I needed a really reliable working plugin that can regulate the loading or not loading of cookies on a website. And this GDPR cookie plugin can do that, definitely. Also, it is really affordable. It doesn't have a monthly payment, but a yearly payment scheme, and I find it really good and as I said, affordable. So I can recommend this plugin to everybody, and I'm sure that if a function is needed to a future website for which WebToffee has a plugin, then I'm going to buy that definitely, because they proved that they do an excellent job and their products are excellent. So 5-star rating to WebToffee.